Yellow, yellow. Just testing out Pop OS. Uh, this works. Okay. Yeah, working. Pop should be. So this is I'm running it off of a virtual machine, obviously. Other than that, things I tested clone of this should be working. Virtual machine. Okay, there we go. This so I don't think this is how Pop it usually is. It might be just the way I set up the virtual machine. Wait for it on. I set up the virtual machine. Doesn't really like. Oh, okay, there we go. So English, dates, English, everything. Let's do a clean. Okay. Seems to be no no imp. Hmm. So I was testing OBS on Windows machine. Oh, there you go. I was testing OBS on my Windows machine. That had a way to use input. Just alert. I'm a little afraid it's gonna back channeling. Like the audio is gonna repeat over and over. Is that back channel? Back channel. The audio just repeats itself over and over. So I sort of afraid to do that. But actually ah wait change capital P. What's going on? It just oh my god. Couldn't haven't Slide. I think that you know what? Yeah. Oop. I think it would be okay. Close that. Erase an instant. I will be wizard. Ugh, password. Add password. What should I make? Oh, 1-22. Oh, maybe capital T. Tech 101-22. There you go. Right, so it's like I think I gave it. Obviously, it comes with LibreOffice as all. Okay, that's that. Ooh, Pop Shop. Let's see what Pop Shop is. Pop Shop. Pop Shop. It's been a long time since I've been playing with virtual machines. Literally had to look up how to set up a work. I'm pretty sure I used to play around with them all the time. Now I can't figure like that would be like riding a bike where I could just get back on and start playing around with it, but I genuinely am confused by oh, okay, I'm getting Pop Shop. Game. Yay. Download. Does it have game? $4%. Why is it? Yellow. Right? Ooh. Okay. I'll leave it on for a little bit. Um hopefully it doesn't brick it. Whatever I did. Oh crap. Hello. It's working again. Ah, worked. Hello. Not even getting there be. Uh, everything's scaring the crap out of me. It was great. 100%. I don't know if I'm using that word correctly. Percent. Ah, crap. Let's play with Pop Shop. Let's try calculate. 1 plus 1, 2. Into the the calculator is lagging it. Okay. This is now. Okay. Launcher is super. Problem is when I click the super button, also works as the super button for my distro, so I can't type into it. Oh, okay, click into it. That works. Windows, links for Y, showing titles, show active. I do like the way I think this is. Oh my god. Oh no no. No. There's no way. God damn it. How did I do that? When did I do that? Okay. Am I sure? Maybe it's in another workspace. Okay. So, this time I can't do crap. Okay. English, English, English. Clean install. Clean install. Custom install. That. Partition. Partition. Root. That. Recent install. Withered. Yes. 01-22 dash. Okay. I'll touch it. Yeah. Touch it. Okay. Whilst I'm here, I know I said I wouldn't touch this. Didn't. Look at it again. Settings. Oh, I only gave it one. Okay. That's probably it. You know what? At this point, it honestly might be worth just. I'm gonna power it off. files like this. I am going to settings, give it a process. I need to give it a little bit. It has to sit down. Okay. Settings. System. Processor. Give it. I'm gonna give it 3. Guessing that scores. That 4,000 bytes. I feel like it'd be fun. Okay. Let's restart this again. I should have changed. Like it should. Green resolution off the thing. Really? I can't change the screen resolution. Shut down. Come on. Okay. Obviously. System 4 megabytes. 4,000 megabytes hard drive. Okay. 3 CPU. Play. That's a problem. Give it 5. I don't want to 3D. Anything else? I think I should be fine. Let's start this. Okay. Probably my upper one after all. Less. Right. A lot of problems with Firefox. I have to up. Okay. Get play. Oop. I made a power off. Power. Start. Okay. Oh, you guys. Okay, that's working. Oof. Alright, how long have I been going for? Cats. Tell me. Okay. Three, two. Else, what? Yeah, so OBS works a lot nicer in Windows. Nicer. I mean, it's usable. It doesn't. Right, three secondary. Weirdly. Default share key. Custom. Part. Table. And apply. Apply. Done. Done. This partition format. Erase and install. This is my third doing this. Third. Okay. Hopefully this time is faster. A lot more power. Can't keep up to. Okay. Doesn't seem. Hopefully means working. Ish. You. Field sucks. Okay. Partition thing. Okay, I guess I'm gonna down again. Power off the machine. I am. Okay, let's start it. Okay, we'll be now. Control. Okay, host. If I do C, perfect. At least a little bit. I'm just gonna have to suffer with sort of looking. Really do need to start playing. Uh, Hopefully, break it this. No promise. Felt faster. I don't know if it's just a placebo effect, where I'm just like I've done it so many times that it's just gotten to the point where I'm like, oh, it's getting better. It's getting better. It is getting better. Maybe finish it. Da 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 banana na 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 da da. Oh, keep looking at my phone down here. So I looks. Oh, someone will probably find this. Tell me I'm doing anything correct. Okay, select, select. select, custom. Oh, okay. So efficiency. All with and then my password. Capital tech 101 22 22. Not put a capital again. They don't want tech 101 22. Tech 101 22. Tech 22. Okay, hopefully this time works. Okay. Oh, there's here watching me. Hello, 3 people watching me fail at making a machine. If you have comments on what I'm doing wrong, please help me. I haven't used virtual machines forever. As I said, it's not like you can just jump back in. Didn't give it enough system resources. I think I did correctly this. I did try virtual machine a couple of months ago, trying Pop OS time. I felt so badly that I just like completely on it. But today I was feeling like, man, maybe I could try it again. Maybe I was just being dumb. So, I mean, I don't know. Just regular Pop OS? Or are you talking about the stream GUI? The way the stream is set up? Because I don't know what I'm doing. Can I scale it? Maybe if I scale. Oh, okay, it failed again. Or into dollar long. See. There we go. Well, in regular day to day, this is the first time I'm streaming an OS. I like streaming this testing thing, but I didn't use. I haven't. I'm basically running MX Linux everywhere now. I used to be a Lubuntu and Xubuntu kind of person. But other than that, this is my first time trying Pop OS, and it's basically because I get comments on my Linux videos that are like, try Pop OS, it's good. Where was it looking for? Dash. Okay, there it is. Cat does that. Install. Yeah. Log. Ugh. Install error. Archive extraction failed with status. Exit status 1. Errored while installing system. Archive extraction 2. But as with all things Linux related, I can just Google it. So Google it. Oh wait, can Firefox? Good, it's in demo mode. Hell, but okay. Also, if anyone else is using Firefox, Firefox is like crashing like crazy recently for me, and I don't know if that's just like a universal thing now because everyone starts hating. You like pop? I mean, I have been hearing a lot of good things about it, but I haven't really looked into it because I'm like, I lost the spark for like distro hopping. I'm just tired of it at this point. So I've gotten to that point where I'm just like, oh, I'm just gonna use the same 5 distros I've been using my entire life. Version, it is the new. I I just have to brute force it. But just keep installing it until it works. Maybe it's because I'm in Canada and I'm using a setting. Okay, I'm gonna try installing it again. This time I'm gonna use it like I'm actually a user. Hopefully it works. What does Pop do that's so good? Like, I know it doesn't look bad, and I do like called the dock. I feel like the dock is a good thing, especially if you want to get new people into it. But I don't know why like it became the new thing. Is it just because it's got like the System 76 backing, or I don't know. I haven't looked into it. I don't know what French or English French. Can okay, there is English UK maybe work. Just pure. Okay, let's see. They have Canadian. They have Hawaiian, but no Canadian. Okay. Let's see. I guess default. Erase everything. Oh wait, I probably have to custom. Looks better with customization. Yeah, I mean, but all distros look good with customization. I mean, I feel like I'm being a jerk here, but like call you out, but like I guess it does look like pretty dang good right out of the like box, and you probably don't need to mess with it too much to get it to look as good as you can with other distros. But I feel like it's getting a lot of credit when it doesn't deserve. At this point, I'm actually a little bitter with Pop because I keep failing at making a virtual machine. So I don't know if I'm just like this process is making me anti Pop OS before I've actually started using it. So maybe it is like really good, and I'm just like bitter because it's taking me. I think this is my 5th time working on this. Uh, hopefully. God, did I click something? What is going on? Did I click something? What is going on? Am I crazy? I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. Do I have another? Is it like a workspace thing? Is there another workspace running? No. Okay. gonna brute force it again. Hopefully it works. Just if I just I can't even select this drop. Oh my god. Is it not enough? Maybe I didn't put enough storage in. Does it? I think Pop needs like 20. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to turn off the virtual machine again. If it is literally it needed more, I think the minimum is like 20 gigabytes. I'm gonna try that. Maybe it won't let you install it if you don't reset settings. I don't think it should be that, but it could be. Stopped. Stop. Yeah, it is that. That's on me. That's not on Pop. That's on me for not setting up the virtual machine. Give it some more. Eight. Which fixed size. 20 gigabytes. Give it 25 gigabytes. So definitely has enough space. Now, all right. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. Had a call I had to take. But come on, please. Control. Set. Okay. Did I just not? Oh, is it because I put the? Okay. F12. F12. I'm gonna figure this out. F12. 12. Oh, great. Just like not gonna figure it out for a second. Do, do. that. What is happening? Okay, F12. Alt R. F12. Honestly. F. Maybe I just need to let it breathe. Give it a second. I feel like it should be popping up by now. Ugh. Alright, anyone else got any? I don't know. I gave it more storage. I gave it more CPU cores. I gave it more RAM. If anyone else has any tips on how to increase my virtualization efforts, I'm all ears. But it doesn't seem like anything is working. Maybe soon. Okay. 5 seconds. Okay. Power this one off. Power off this machine. Okay. New. New. Top 3. Linux. Or given. There. Fine. Create a virtual now. I'm going to get 22 gigabytes. Fixed size. And create. Okay. Settings. Merge. Add. Oh wait. Processor. Give it. Four megabytes of RAM. One thing. Enable 3D acceleration. Okay. Yeah, which one? Storage. I'm pretty. Create a USB. Pop OS. Okay. I'm gonna start it. Start. Oh, it's running again. Full top 3. Device. Do that. Oh. Okay. Dismiss. Okay. This is working. Hopefully this. Oop. All right. And it's black screen again. Touch it this time. I'm just let it be. And I've gotten so close so many times. I need you to work, please. Oh, okay. Popped up. Okay. Better. Install Pop OS. Okay. Like it's running nicer before. Oh, I think this is my fourth. But I think fingers crossed. This time it worked. English default. Oh. Oh. Oh, perfect. All perfect. Okay, let me do it to there. I want to type. Oh no, please let me type. You're letting me type. Oh no no no, please. Why won't you let me type? Is my laptop? I mean, is my or key thing is working. Okay, that's working. I'm a little freaked out. Up. Third. One dash 22. 1 dash 22. Ah, damn it. Okay. Okay, let's. This is one of the reasons I say. Okay, let's go cd dot dot cd dot dot. There's probably a fast. I could just slash, but I just do it with cd tmp ls cat in installer dot log. Okay. I don't understand why it keeps doing the archive extraction failed with status exit 1. Okay, so extracting CD-ROM Casper Pop. Okay. This is the last thing I did. What if failed? Copy that. Go into Firefox. Do what all smart people should do. Dump it into. There's a lot of smarter people than me in this world, and figure this out. Okay. BIOS. Oh my god. Someone deleted the post that linked to it. Okay, that's great. Damn it. Okay. They say repartition it. think it comes with what's it called? Departed. Departed. Give me G part. Oh, it does come with G parted. Okay, you know what? Try try and start. I'm gonna customize that. I don't know what I'm really doing. Messing with it. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't, right? Should be. Gotten to 15, 16%. Here where it has uh, what, 26? Holy crap. Oh my god, it's going now. Oh my god, it's going now. I've never been so happy to see a progress bar go. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hopefully this is gonna work. Actually, go to mother. What? There for now. Can I? Do I still have that terminal loop? Work on. Oh, there we go. Let's command again. Okay, did I do the same thing? Unsquash error. Isn't. I mean, at this point, it's not my fault if, like, I don't like pop. It's giving me this. Firefox. Start. Okay. Okay. Let's see. What is fused? What? Does that just mean messed with? Okay. If I click this link, it's deleted. He had the answer for it. Yes. Closed as complete. Doesn't. Problem. Key. I reformatted the USB with the ISO and put MX20 on it. Held on to the flash drive without problem. The internet. Okay, so it says that. Okay, so I'm guessing the squash file is the biggest. And it's causing a problem because it's thing not okay. Other people are having troubles with the Firefox as well, huh? Yeah, I'm running MX. I love MX. I don't know. I just got stuck into MX and it's been crashing like crazy. But I don't want to go into like a Chromium based one. I don't know. I feel it's like that paranoid part of me, which is like I don't want to do anything with Chromium, and I want to support Firefox, but it's they're making it hard for me to support Firefox. It's I feel like it's getting worse and worse, right? Okay, so the problem right now is I can't seem to figure out what's wrong, and no one else seems to know what's wrong. Maybe Pop isn't happy to be running a virtual machine. Uh, if I'm gonna try for a little bit longer, but if anyone has, you know, another distro I should try that's somewhat new. I've done most of the basic ones. I've done Ubuntu. I've done a lot of types of like the Ubuntu family, Ubuntu, Lubuntu. I'm on MX. I've tried Mint. I've tried Elementary. If I've tried Kali, but if anyone else has another one, I can pop it in. I can try downloading the ISO if I can't figure out how why Pop isn't running. Because I don't want to like. I, I'm sort of afraid that it's a me thing, that I'm messing something up, but I don't know what I could be messing up. So I think the problem is, it seems from what I've read, is that this file is the biggest file, and for some reason, because probably maybe the way I set up the virtual machine, maybe it is a virtual machine, maybe it's like uh, the virtualization software I'm using, which is VirtualBox, is messing something up. Maybe I'm doing some sort of thing incorrectly, but it's not letting me do anything. Okay, maybe if I try booting it off of okay, let me try one thing. Let's do resetting it. F12. I have off of line. Can I try C? Okay, seemed to work. Yeah, I'm just trying to see what Pop is all about. What's your name? Sorry, Whiskey Joe too. I'm just trying to figure out because I haven't been distro hopping or anything recently, and there have been a lot of new distros coming out, and Pop seems to have a lot of like, ah rah, we support Pop OS people. So I thought might as well start with Pop, figure out what's going on with it. Um, yeah, basically just messing around with distros, and I'm doing it off of a virtual machine. You know, smart thing to do. But who knows? Maybe if I can figure out how to get Pop to work, I'll actually. So far, I like the way it sort of looks out of the box. I like the dock and everything, but I am having trouble with it. Keeps the installer won't work. And I can get it to work in demo mode. Installing on bare metal is an option. Not exactly. Don't know what. Not exactly. Did I not? Are you saying I didn't like install it onto the drive properly? I mean, I might not have. as I said before, I haven't used virtual machines in a hot minute. So I might have just. That's why I'm not. I'm trying my best not to get angry at Pop. Might just be a me messing things up. So I'm I'm not angry with Pop at the moment. I don't. This might just be me not figuring out setting up the deser correctly. Oh frick. Deck 101 22. Deck 101 22. You know what? I'm just gonna encrypt it. What do you mean by Whiskey Joe? What do you mean it releases with a whole new system? Don't like the YouTube has this emoji button on the side, but it makes it hard for me to see what people are typing. Created on the it's based on Rust. That's neat. I mean, Pop is getting a lot of like support the community, which is really nice. I don't exactly like what Ubuntu's been up to recently, even though it is the OS that most people I know got into it. So I don't want to be like an Ubuntu supporter, but at this point, it's still what I in my brain is the best choice. Basically, I've written the whole OS button rest. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know much about Rust. Is it like, is it that good? It being fully written in Rust? Because, I mean, it seems to be a selling point, but I've I've fallen off the wagon on tech stuff in general. So I'm a little bit out of date. Like at this point, I couldn't even build you a computer off the top of my head. I used to be that guy who would know all the specs for all the GPUs and everything. Now I don't know which CPU and which GPU are like highest top rank. Now googling it. System 76 are updating their desktop environment on August 8th. The new Cosmic Alpha. So a new one's coming out. Yeah, System 76 is really bankrolling this, huh? I mean, probably why it's so well put together. Oh, I think I might. Oh my gosh, guys. I might have fixed it. Actually, let's not jinx it. What's the new so is the new alpha like a big step, or is it just like one of those increments that they are overhyping? I'm guessing I got already someone already commented the cosmic. I didn't know what they were saying, but I'm guessing some sort of interesting new update. But I mean, let's see. Oh, it's an alpha release. Wait, is it? So I'm not 100% sure. Is Pop in alpha? No, it's a 22. Oh, it's the alpha for the new one. Okay, sorry, I'm an idiot. Oh man, that's stupid. I just said something so stupid. Okay, sorry. So the alpha release for the new one. Okay. Yeah, I mean, with systems, yeah, System 76, I feel like it would be like they'd probably be testing it on their hardware first, even though it is, you know, their hardware is customizable. I feel like maybe it's going to be like more laptop based. Um, yeah, I wouldn't mind a system. Like every time I see a System 76 computer, I'm like, oh, it looks pretty. Yeah. I mean, holy crap, it worked. Oh my god. Okay. Restarting. Yes! This is my sixth try and it's finally working, so you guys are here to see me fix it and get Pop finally running. See what Pop looks like fully. So Roel, Roel? Are you a Pop runner? Do you run Pop? Oh god. There you go. Deck 101 2. Oh wow, you run it on both systems? That is hardcore. Even me, I did run MX on both a while. But even when I ran Ubuntu, I would run Ubuntu on my laptop. But I mean, all like if it's working, I respect the support for them. I mean, I guess that says a lot about them if you're willing to. The hell, 1-2. If you're like, says a lot if you trust them with both of your systems. Did you? I'm willing to experiment. I mean, if it's that good, I might be able to switch over to it. I'm going. Dock doesn't extend to edges. I do like dock. Dates are. Oh wow. Uh, it, first part. Application launcher. I don't have a trackpad. Dark mode. So what do you mean by flexibility? I don't understand what you mean by flexibility of Pop. Just the flexibility of how you can change it, or is it the like? Guessing it's just how you can change it. Pronto. That fix problem. Part all real quick. Updates. Please don't crash on. Actually, at this point, it doesn't matter if it crashes. It's fully installed. Okay. Update all. All right. Two. Thanks, Whiskey Joe. Hey, Whiskey Joe, thanks for staying until I finally got it working, which I genuinely don't know how I got it working. But thanks for coming around. Oh, okay. So it's basically you got the flexibility of having like an Ubuntu system where, or Debian, where it's just stable as hell and there's so much help you can easily get. Okay, that makes sense. Robot in the back. Yeah, that's one thing I really like. I hope Pop does this where it becomes the de facto if it's as good as like stable as Debian, where it becomes easy for regular people to work with. Because that's a problem for a lot of people. Feel like they need to be like a tech wizard to figure out Linux, which though we all people who say, "Oh, you don't have to be a tech wizard," it's still hard for most people to get into Linux just because there is a little bit of that hardness. Ubuntu Plus. Yeah, Ubuntu's gone downhill. I've like it started going downhill after I left, like the stopped jumping around. But even I'm hearing about it, and I'm like, it. If you guys know about Audacity, it feels like the Audacity problem where it's just like it was like the people wanted to make money off of Audacity or whatever. If I'm remembering correctly, they were like they some person bought it out and they to make money off of it. So and then it started going to crap or whatever. Even though I still use Audacity, I don't know what I'm supposed to use in Audacity. Uh, yeah, yeah. Their QA and QC are probably really good. I actually haven't like seen a System 76 computer in real life. I've obviously done the build it thing, but I'm a ThinkPad guy. I use ThinkPad, and I'm like, oh, that this is good enough for me. I don't think I've bought like a new laptop in like 10 years. I just buy old laptops and put Linux on them. But oh wow, okay, crash. This is this is very polished. Up. Oh, this is really polished. Oh, okay. You can tell like how good like how much work has been put on it because all the windows look like they belong in the same system. It's not like a mishmash. Oh, so their laptops aren't in house? I thought they were a laptop company mostly. Are they a desktop company? In my mind, they were always like a laptop company. That's what they were. Okay, content. I, I'm starting to dig it. Still running slow, but I think that is a virtual machine. Yeah, you can see it. Uh, yeah, I've been on their website. Like I played around with it because I there was a time where I was really interested in it. God, okay, see, Firefox, crazy. Report submitted to system 76. The bottom. We keep getting flat pack. Really? Okay. I will install the flat pack. Just let me look at the blog for. I'm guessing that Cosmic is new version you're saying. It has. Oh, they make servers. Oh, ARM based servers too. That's pretty cool. Where it's built. Ugh, AI engineers. I don't know. I feel like anytime I say AI now, I'm just like immediately like hardware, fair. That's all great. But Google, where does six Oh, okay. It is built. Is it all made in Denver? Oh, okay. That honestly, that makes the price a lot more worth it. I mean, that's sort of insane. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's comparable to Lenovo's. Maybe my next laptop will be probably pricey though. USB-A, USB-C. Uh, Super alts. Okay, let's. There you go. Super arrow key. Arrow key. Button search. Oh, so the problem might be because it's a virtual machine that my the desktop that it's running on is literally there a package manager? Oh, oh. Sorry, I I clicked super and I clicked package manager and my like the MX's package manager came up and I was like, interesting. Fun and games. Oh crap. Yeah, I should probably install the flat. Okay, actually, does this thing have what is this? Let's do. Can you get flat packs from the store here? Yes and no. Oh my god, you can. That's interesting. Okay. Okay, that is a nice feature. Okay. One dash two authenticate. This is really cool. I do like the little flat pack in the store. Very clean. I feel like if I gave it a little bit more, it could really like. I think the reason it's running so slow is because of me, but honestly, pretty impressive how clean everything. Oh, it crashed. Pop store. Xiaomi up. Black screen. Black screen. Tell me you didn't crash. Second. No, I'm running the. I'm running MX right now. Oh, sorry. You mean Windows emulation? Oh, sweet. So is it like Vine? 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 Where it emulates some of the stuff that Linux can't do? Actually, I don't need one. Firefox. So, last time I did any Windows emulation on a Linux system was a while ago. So, I'm guessing it's a lot better now. What can I try that is a Windows application? Well, let's try paint.net. Okay, what's it called? Models? Okay, so that's crashing. Firefox might exit repo man. Oh, bottles uses wine? Okay. So is it something above wine? Like, is it like a wrapper for wine? So it can, because wine was always like not that pretty looking. Is it just like make it look nicer and make it easier to use? This is an interesting. Wait, if I do make a folder here, is it just a folder for the launchers or is it just guessing? Okay, so it's just a. Holy shit! They got Photoshop onto Linux, dude. If you could get Premiere to start working on Linux, I feel like it would be such a thing. Like, even though I don't use Premiere anymore, if you got Premiere to start working, I feel like a lot of people would be like a lot of video people would be okay transferring over to Linux. God damn it! So what? So it was bad, like the Photoshop. I mean, Photoshop doesn't run well in Windows. So I mean, the very fact that it ran at all on Linux is saying something. So even if it like, if it was a test, I feel like it's probably like a proof of concept more than an actual. You can run it. I mean, we got GIMP. It sort of works. Oh crap. Oh, is this still updating? Is that why it's so glitchy? Install this. Okay, I'm gonna minimize it. Touch it for. Yeah, yeah. My virtual machine is struggling. It has. Okay, so I gave it 3 cores. I gave it 4 gigabytes of RAM. I gave it 22 gigabytes of storage. I don't know why. Like, I think it is. I think the storage is also as SSD, but don't know why it's so bad. I mean, it might also be that I'm pushing it too hard. Because I'm pretty sure. Is it still updating? Okay, everything is up to. Oh, that's just no. But it seems to be. Nope. Can't use any of the super stuff because my distros first. See if I can. How easy is it to add? Okay, there you go. That's the button. Yeah, it might be. I gave it. Ugh, Okay, so Flatpak doesn't work. You know what? I'm gonna download Chromium because I can't have it. Like it's pissing me off. Oh my god. Okay, quit Firefox. Don't give me Firefox. I gave it what's it called 3D acceleration on the virtual machine has 3D acceleration. So I mean, it should be using my thing, but it's also possible that my driver is like I'm using an AMD device on Linux and it's a virtual machine on top of that. So it might be like the driver's not good on my distro that I'm actually running and it's just compounding onto that. Okay, give me Brave? Alright, I'll try Brave. I mean, I've used it once, but I feel like if you're using a Chromium app, might as well use Chromium. I know Brave is better, like more secure, but I feel like every time, uh, eh, if the software used a flatpak, H man. Wait, is Brave the one that gives you like those tokens? Am I thinking of the right? Is that Opera or Brave or something? Yeah, I got 16 gigabytes of RAM. This CPU is an a Ryzen. It's one of the early Ryzens. Or Ryzen 6 or 1400 or 1500, something like that. And oh, Brave is the tokens one. Yeah, I saw the token stuff and it sort of. I know. Anytime there's any tokens or anything, I get a little freaked out by it. I feel like it might be trying to scam me. Okay, you can disable it. So wait, so you use Brave, but you don't use the tokens. Is it like better even without the tokens? I feel like the tokens are they like the center point for that browser? No, I'm saying like an idiot. I have like a pretty decent GPU. You use Firefox as well. Yeah, Firefox is. I feel like Firefox is the one that everyone who's sort of into computers that's a little afraid of Google is using because honestly, Firefox is the only competition for Chrome. Not have Chrome, but Firefox it's making it hard because Firefox is just getting like I feel like it's getting worse and worse, and I feel like it's gotten into like an like almost looping, like it's gone on a death spiral because like no one's using it, so no like Firefox doesn't get enough like reason to update it much. It doesn't have the money to update as much. Yeah, I mean, again, this the little bit of privacy it feels like it's not much, right? I mean, everything is Chromium based at this point. Opera on desktop is Chromium based. Uh, wow, I've been. Do you remember why I was downloading a web browser? Because I genuinely don't remember. Did we need something with a web browser? Because it just crashed so many times. Now I'm confused why I downloaded a web browser. Let's go back to Pop Store. Alright, settings, desktop. Okay, so new open source. It's called Gecko. That's pretty cool. I mean, I'm 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 willing to like try it out, but I feel like anytime I hear about a new web browser, it seems like they die quite quickly, don't they? I mean, it's gotten to the point where more web browsers are dying than oh, high performance. Let's put that on. All right. Like do you guys remember back when there were like 10 web browsers that you could choose from? Uh Nowadays you only have Chrome and Firefox. I miss Internet Explorer. I I wish Internet Explorer was kept up to date because I would totally run Internet Explorer to this day. Oh, Firefox uses Gecko web engine. New one is called Servo. So okay, let's look this up real quick. Firefox web engine. It's all web browsers. Okay, it's still using Gecko, so I'm guessing Servo is coming out soon. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, capabilities. Okay, so they're using Rust too. Rust is this Rust is really that good. Uh, yeah, Firefox has been like, I know there was a meme that Google Chrome was like using up a crap ton of memory, but nowadays Firefox uses a lot more memory than. Uh, oh my god, they still have Internet Explorer as a modern web browser. Ooh. Oh wow, it started in 2016. So I guess they started building it in 2016. Supposed to be memory safe. Guessing that means it doesn't bleed memory. When is server? Do you guys know when servo's coming out? When is servo coming out? Wait, is it abandoned? Oh, it's getting rebooted. Okay. Okay, so I guess it is the paper came out 2016 before that team got laid off. Now they're releasing it. Yeah, now they're rebuilding it. Hopefully, it's good. I mean, I'd be really happy for Rome to get some competition. Top shop. Email service. Workflow. Application. Okay, so just what's startup? Repo man. What's repo? Oh, okay. Harriet's. That's a clever name. Eat. Yeah. Yeah, this is very clean. I respect. I mean, they must have put a crap ton of time into it. I don't. I don't think I like the fact that LibreOffice comes with everything. I don't think LibreOffice is that good. But, better than nothing. Excuse this. Rust System 76 Cosmic Desktop Environment. Wait, did I download Firefox again? Yeah. Oh, so used to having DuckDuckGo that I have to click. I like Google. I DuckDuckGo G just to use Google. 76 cause desktop. Yeah, but honestly, for most people, Google. Oh my god, thing is, Google Docs is better. What was it? Desktop environment. I used LibreOffice for a long time, but I feel like it's so slow. Every time I try, like even just starting it up, just so slow, and it it feels clunky, right? I don't think. I mean, they probably don't have like a giant team for LibreOffice because most of the market is dominated by Windows and Google now. Do this kernel. Bidirectional rendering. I'm guessing that's for like Arabic and stuff, which run comes. It's the opposite direction. Yeah, it. I can't hate on Libre because I did use it a lot, and in high school it helped me out because I would submit documents and I feel like it would confuse my teachers, and I could explain why it looked messy because I'm like, oh, it's Libre. I'm switching from Libre to this, you know, or you're sort of being a dick by just using a like formats that they don't know. Yeah, I don't know. For me, Libre, like, actually, let's open Libre, see if it's that much. Let's do Libre Writer. Oh, it is. See, it's so clunky here. I feel like they don't need all of this up here. Even if they needed it, I feel like they could like use it like a few more drop downs. Right? Just so clunky. I mean, it's not as slow as I remember, but it is like so clunky. I say this, but I there's like a part of me that's I just closed. Oh, okay, I just closed the writer. Oh, that's that's different than before. Or if you close the computer, you can just into Office jump Office launcher. Change the Libre tab. Yo, I haven't used Microsoft Office in forever. Change the this. Okay, let's go. Here. Definitely. So I'm not gonna blame Pop for crashing all that. I'm definitely at fault there. Okay. What did I remove? So much here. Wait, do I have to scroll? Oh. See, people like us could look at this and be like, I mean, even I'm like a little overwhelmed by this. If you take a person without any sort of thing, go to do tabbed. Okay. If this came out like if it came out of the box like this, I think it would have a lot more thing because it is a lot like the what's it call it, Google Drive, and I feel like the new MS stuff looks a lot more like this where it's tabbed. It looks so much neater. And it's not as much or like it doesn't overwhelm you. Anyway. Like go back. You kind of attention. Why? You prefer tabbed? Yeah. This I think this is tabbed. Tabbed looks a lot nicer. Right, single. Looks nice. Ooh. Okay, this is gonna sound weird, but I feel like if they made their icons neater, like I feel like the icons are what's really aging this setup. Because some of the icons look pretty dang decent, but then other times they just like when they're clumped out like this, I don't know what's going on. I feel like if they made it a little bit bigger and hold them here, it would like this is like nitpicking now. Like tab looks good, right? But like, oh wow, you can export as EPUB. That's neat. So you could write a book on this. But yeah, if it was, I think if it came out of the box like this, it would be a lot more usable. Yeah, just change the icons, make it come out tabbed, and I feel like it would like all of their icons, even their like base icons, I feel like look like they're out of the 90s, which feels bad. I don't like the simplification stuff, but there's something about these icons that I don't like, and I think these are updated icons, right? Because I feel like the older icons were like not as sharp as this. I don't remember that little triangle. All right, let's go back to this. Sorry. Uh, Sometimes I read some Linux stuff and I'm like, wow, I'm an idiot. I don't understand any of this. Uh, Blazing Wayland, which terminal. One which has okay. Yeah, this I feel like they need like that feels like a basic run on instant GPU when requested. I don't know if this is a good thing. Do you want your stuff to run off of it? Cosmic DE? I mean, I do like frosted glass effect. That looks cool. This is just their what was it? Cosmic DE? Okay. Cosmic E. That one their blog again. I feel like it would be their blog. Cosmic DE is okay. This is the newest Cosmic. Okay, Cosmic Countdown. Oh, this is neat. That is a cool thing. Keyboard shortcuts, super tab. Wait, do they not have display mirroring? Oh crap. This display plugged into this. Yeah. Well, I assumed that DE was desktop environment, but okay. Check out YouTube. Do they have a YouTube? Let's go YouTube. See how bad this virtual machine is. Wow. Okay. I don't think that was. Okay. Let's stop. Cosmic E. Cosmic not have a YouTube. I don't want to look at someone else. Reloading. Okay, I'm just this DE. Let's go to pop. Do they host video? I'm gonna look. Savak? I mean, I don't want to freeload, so I'm just gonna do a quick look through. I don't want to, you know, I don't like the whole just looking at people's channels without doing anything. So I'm Vic. Vic. Okay. AVVIK. Huh. I'm guessing it's not evidence-based astrology pyramid. Come on. Did I spell it correctly? SAVVIK. Savic. Cosmic. DE. You know what? I'll just talk about two. So they're using the same images. They don't have video on it, right? I mean, it looks pretty. I might like if it when it comes out. If someone reminds me, I'll come and jump on that. Hopefully, I figured out how to make really good virtual machines by then. But it looks pretty neat. I feel like I should go through the. Oh wait, getting sidetracked to all hell. Yo, I think YouTube does a thing where it naturally doesn't let you post links in it. If you post the title, I can like YouTube search the title for the thing. But I think it's like a scammer thing. They're trying to get scammers off the website. So if you wanna send me crap, the title, actually let me turn on a light or something. Second. Oh, it was on. It's better. Better than nothing. Do you guys really care if you can see me? Called Pop OS. What was on Firefox? Title, okay. Firefox. This is all muscle memory of the Firefox jumping. Okay. No, probably in YouTube first. Crash. OS. Cause. Desktop. New. Other. And. Date. There you go. I'm guessing it's the one from 9 days ago. Now that I think about it, I don't know if output is working. You guys hear this? Let's pause. Okay. Let me go get some sort of light. Break just happened. Okay. Yeah, it's lagging like crazy. Okay, maybe I should. I'm gonna run it off my actual computer instead of the virtual machine because I think it's just me messed up the virtual machines. So first, let me put a light on. You guys can see my beautiful, beautiful face. I guess that is true. No audio means no copyright problems. Ugh, now I look brown again. That looks better. Well, I think it's still copyright problems. Here. This. Can I P for YouTube. Put in a headphone. Okay. I will switch over. Just give me a second. Oh, come on. Write it again. Savic pop plus new. You know what? I think that should be enough.
You're a team player.
Why isn't it coming through headphones?
You're raising the game and handling the pressure. Tell me you're a leader, committed to every shot. Whatever you have to tell the world, say it with sport.
Mom's great news. There's a body wash made with a gentle formula that's also affordable. Try Ivory. Gentle for your family and free of dyes and heavy perfumes. Plus, Ivory has been trusted by moms for 7 generations. Choose Ivory.
I'm back today with another update on Cosmic, the Rust-based look like right now, right before the alpha release, as it pertains to this Rust Cosmic desktop experience. In here, you can see the accent colors up top, the colors, and the
audio, because I feel like that is a jerk move to listen to his audio. I mean, it still looks pretty. Oh wait, does terminal on? Actually, second. I mean, it does look much neater again, but I don't know how much of it is him changing it. I feel like it is a showcase. Oh, okay, so yes, it has a halo effect around the window you're using. That's pretty neat. But ooh, that is yeah. Linux gaming has come a long way, huh? I remember when it was like absolutely necessary for you to have a Windows computer. Nowadays, you can mostly play games on a Linux. People still, I still have the effect. Oh, change the effect. Yeah, I feel like that's a necessary effect you should be able to change because it would ruin a lot those real desktop users who re- like you every once in a while you'll see those guys who like, design a desktop, put in all sorts of like use different types of tiling, all sorts of crap. Those guys a lot of let's private, right? Oh, you can see my bookmarks. I hide my book. Okay. I was Canadian Army for didn't go. Um, let's see. Pop OS custom customized. Honestly, oh, okay, that's pretty cool. This effect sidebar onto the purple and green. Okay, let's try customize. Sure. Okay. Efficiency big thing. Try custom. Just regular pop settings. Desktop. Do this. It look edges. The launch icon. I think having the launcher just jump up from using the super key is what's best. So the Cosmic will be the new desktop environment they're building their stuff on. I mean, it's good to always have more competition. You should keep that on. That is just like coming right out of the box without having to install or do anything fancy smash. Already pretty. Change the color of the dock with. Oh man. God, why do you keep yeah. I mean, this is pretty nice. Base. Ooh, perfect color. Desktop icon settings. Oh, there we go. Up. Well, no plugins are nice. I mean, the easier the onboarding is, the better it is, right? I change the color of. Oh, okay. So workspaces does come in. Could come in. And you really like a cosmic, huh? Why is my room so? Oh, it's this side. How do I lower? Second. Okay. So. Color. Oof. Everything. Location. Hot corner. Top left corner to be. The workspaces button. Show applications button. Necessary. Workspace. There's a lot of. I mean, yeah, it is. It's very clean. I want workspace. I just. Dock. This is what web browsers are. Man, you're really hyped for the new release, huh? Royale. You're gonna jump. Are you gonna jump on it as soon as it comes out? Yeah, this is a terrible idea. What's it called? Pop OS dock color. Color. Get it. Yeah. Well, you know. You're real. I I'm glad you're here because you're really helping me with the Pop OS. I mean, I didn't have like I really didn't know much about it before starting it up, and you just keep giving me a lot of information on like lots of stuff. I really appreciate it. Um, I'm guessing this kind of stuff where I would need to download an extension to change the dock is what they're probably going to change in the. So is it a waiting list or is it do they have the pre-alpha? Like is it just like an unstable release that they have out that you? Because I don't know. Every time I don't trust pre-alphas. Probably do it. Yeah, there's a lot of dead space. Guessing if I do intelligent. Oh wow, it won't. Uh, uh, go back to my doc. See, I'm try. How intelligent is? How good is it? Look. I'm gonna hide it. Where is on this side? Wait for me. Come on, hi, little guy. Oh, so wait, are you like? I know you're running. What do you call it? Pop on both your laptop and your desktop. Are you running pre-alpha on both? Because that's terrifying. I mean, I feel like one should be on a stable release, and one like you can put your laptop on pre-alpha and your desktop on the stable release. Right? Linux pre-alpha, pre-alpha on your desktop. Jesus, no! Don't run pre-alphas on your desktop. Run it on your laptop. That's what the laptop's for. Laptop's for you to mess with, right? Or are you a person who just like generally uses their laptop more than their desktop? I feel like I would do it the other way around. I would run the pre-alpha of anything on my laptop, and then run the stable on my desktop. But I guess it depends on how much you want to rust. Okay, you know what? The dock to the no matter what, that's dead space, so I might have it filled. Uh, up Northwest 2024 Cosmic. My main rig at home started. You mean you feel more? Oh, so when you're out and about, you don't want it to break. Just want to leave it at home, and it breaks at home for you. I feel like that's respectable. Firefox. Christ. Okay. 52 minutes. I'm not gonna play the whole thing. Yeah, but you want your laptop to freeze mid-presentation. That's how you get out of doing presentations, right? It's like you know that thing where you I don't know if you're really young or anything, but there used to be this matrix effect that you could like put on Google like on your web browser, and it looks like you're hacking into. It used to be really famous after the Matrix and like the Matrix 3 and stuff came out. People kept using it.
Are we ready?
Put it on. Can you guys hear this, by the way? Output capture. So I'm gonna put output capture on. But last time I did this, it sort of messed with it. You could also hear my voice in the output. So, like,
Excellent.
tell me if it messes.
All right. I'm Carl Rochelle. I'm the CEO and founder of System 76. I'm with Maria.
Come on over.
Go ahead.
Maria, come over. I'm the UX designer and system synthesis.
Maria.
Oh, UX architect.
This is the UX architect behind all the beautiful things that you're going to see. We'll present together. I'm going to show you features, and Maria is going to go over like the depth that we go into the design to make those features not so overwhelming. Meaning you can have the workflow that you want without having a million toggles that you have to switch to try to get to it. So that's what we'll be showing you. Cosmic is a new desktop environment. It's developed by System 76. It's like GNOME or KDE. It has what's unique about it. GNOME uses GTK, KDE uses Qt. We use a Rust toolkit called Iced, and we built a library called libcosmic that all of our panels and applets and applications are built upon. By building upon this single library, all the things like theming and appearance and the way the applications works, all the widgets inside the applications are consistent across the experience. So something like if like we have a setting for light and dark mode where at sunset it can switch to dark mode for you. That means all the applications and everything flip at the same time, which on a really big display going from light to dark all of a sudden is quite the experience on the desktop. So we'll be talking about Cosmic. I don't know if you know this, but we're pretty opinionated folks. We like things a certain way. We like our desktops to be configurable in the way that we prefer. And one of the things that's really important about Cosmic is that even though we're, as users, opinionated, Cosmic isn't opinionated. If you like auto tiling, Cosmic has auto tiling. i3 and Sway style tiling. We're launching an application. We'll launch it into a tile, and we put a lot of emphasis on both the keyboard and mouse experience being really great.
This.
With tiling, so
hopefully you see this. I'm guessing they've updated the workspace where you can just click to a workspace. This whole thing is so much neat. It's very nice. I like these icons are.
We'll demo some of that as well. If you prefer floating windows, 60% of Pop! OS users use floating windows, 40% use tiling. So floating matters to a lot of our users. So we put just as much emphasis on having a great floating experience. In tiling, for instance, you can stack windows on top of each other and access them via tabs. You can do the same thing in floating with Cosmic. So you can have tab stacks in a floating environment. Maybe you like dark mode? Maybe you like no dock at all. Maybe you'd like the dock on the left. Maybe you want to feel a little bit more like Ubuntu, the classic Ubuntu with nice browns and oranges. What's that?
Does somebody actually like that?
It's kind of earthy. I like it. Maybe you like something dark with reds, and we have a panel on the left.
This is very. Oh, this is beautiful. This is. Yeah, I get why the hype is real now. This is very, very nice. If it comes out without having, wow, what's wrong? If it comes out without having to like put in 100 plugins to just do this, I'm betting there is a bunch of people who are ready to switch into this already, because some of these are very nice, and I've I've seen stuff like this. I've on my MX Linux, I tried to do like an old school 80s retro style thing, and it just so for some reason sometimes plugins seem to work correctly and sometimes it doesn't, and I got like 20% of it working, but it was such a mess that I gave up on it halfway through. Yeah, straight out of the box, customizable is pretty awesome. I feel like I did a okay. So I'm definitely coming back to that if it's that good. But I don't want to. I feel like I'm already doing a bad thing right now because I'm right before a new iteration and it seems like a big jump, and I also don't want to I don't want to start trying it out fully again when it's in pre-alpha, because already like this is a stable release and it's having trouble with this uh this virtual machine. So if I do like I'm definitely going to try the new Cosmic. So some of this looks honestly beautiful, but I probably want to give it a little bit, right? Because I feel like I'm doing it a disservice by just like jumping into it randomly, right? So, I should probably come back to this. I feel like this is a good. I mean, I feel like half the time I was here, I was just jumping into whatchamacallit, trying to figure out how it worked. Yeah, maybe I will try a bare metal doll. Oh, wait, right? I feel like that would be the nice thing to do it, and I don't mind putting in a bare metal one. I was going to try and put it on my oh, I just put in my regular password. Okay, tech 1-22. Yeah, okay. So if I'm going to what tech 101-22. There you go. Okay, so I will probably try the bare metal, but I don't think the distro as I see it right now is worth going into the bare metal thing, because I see what it's about, and it honestly it isn't that impressive to me right now. But Cosmic seems like a really impressive jump, and it seems like the hype is worth it. So I'm willing to sit on it. Right? Right now, it's not like. Right now, I'm not very impressed with Pop, but from what I can see, the next jump is going to be pretty dang cool. So I feel like okay, let's go back and figure out Cosmic right. Pop Cosmic state. Pre-alpha is still the base. I feel like I should give it like 3 months time, come back to it, and then I feel like at that point alpha, like regular alpha, will be out. Hopefully, if people are already using pre-alpha, right? Um, but as of right now, Pop OS I feel like is decent enough distro. It seems I don't get all the hype around it, but I think some of the hype is for Cosmic and the desktop environment that's coming out, which I respect because it looks actually beautiful. I wasn't really buying it, Raul. I'm hoping I'm saying your name right. I wasn't really buying the hype. August 8th? Yeah. So a month. So give it 2 months at least, because I wanna. Okay, yeah, I feel like beta would probably be a much more fair thing to judge. These alphas always have problems, but I'm sort of understanding why the hype behind it, because I love the paper texture on some of those. It was very nicely put together. So I do understand without plugins, without all this terminal usage, all that. If you can get a regular person into Pop OS customizing like that, yeah, it's going to pull in a lot of people. And I hope they can keep up the hype, right? Like they can achieve what they're trying to achieve. It doesn't fail. Because honestly, I would totally be down for this to be the new Ubuntu, right? And it being the new distro that people recommend that new users use. Um, Already right now it's a little basic, but yeah, the just the customization alone, I think that would be a great like welcome to Linux, right? You could be like, oh, what's Linux all about? And you can be like, oh, it's customization. But nowadays, when you say customize, oh shit, the light is crap. Sorry. Nowadays, when you say customization, everyone knows customization means jumping through like a bunch of hoops just to get it to work. And there's no way like a regular person can do that. But if you can do that with no plugins in it, yeah, I think you could get, especially if you get like a young kid, party kid, like art students into it. They have a live customization. Okay. Yeah, I have a hard time every time I see like every time I bring a video up. I feel guilty that I'm just like stealing their video, right? If anyone hyped about it, just go up onto their own video. I mean, my lighting is crap right now, and I've already been streaming for a little bit, so I'll probably shut down soon and just watch the video myself because I'm starting to get hungry. But yeah, watch that video. It looks really good, right? If they have live custom, like I saw some of the live customization, it seems pretty cool. Yeah, I feel like that's one. I like listening to like those 55-minute panels because you can really tell the passion people have for it. But I think today, as of today, I think pop is a decent enough. I'm gonna come back to it when beta comes out because I feel like beta is gonna come out like soon. I mean, I want to try. I liked streaming this. This was fun. You guys, a lot of comments, especially Rahul. You've given me a lot of help. If anyone has any other distros that I should run through, especially recent time, I would be more than willing to listen to it, and try it out. So, yeah, I think we're done for today because I don't know what else I can do with this, and the VM is not working, so I'm not working that great. So I'm going to shut down for today. Try and figure out what I'm doing wrong with the VM. Yeah, you helped a lot, man. I did not know what it's getting into, and if you weren't here, I probably wouldn't understand what the hype was about. But you really did, you really did tell me what all, I can tell you're like super excited. Running the pre-alpha, that's dedication right there. But yeah, I'm gonna try and fix my virtual machine. Uh, anyone, I don't know, maybe I'll put like a community thing. I'll put a community post, or you guys could comment if you had some distros that you'd like me to try, yeah, I'm done for tonight, I think. But I did like Pop. I'm ending off with Pop was pretty nice, but you know, I'm getting a little hyped for it. I mean, next release. All right. Thanks for coming, guys. I'm going to try and figure out how I'm supposed to set this down. Hopefully, I can see you guys next time if I figure out how to stream again. All right, have a good night, folks.